Is the blue check mark on Facebook getting meta verified worth it? In this video today, I'm going to break down the exact benefits that you receive by getting meta verified. Does it really give a person credibility? Why a business owner may want to sign up for it regardless. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to sign up and also mistakes to avoid in the process, and so you actually save money. My name is Stephanie Parisi, and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and profits online using marketing strategies that actually work. And I'm also the leader of the Parisi Pack. So is getting meta verified, is getting that little blue check mark next to your name worth it? So the average Facebook user really doesn't need to sign up for this. This video is specifically for the business owners, social sellers on Facebook and Instagram. For people who rely on Facebook or Instagram for business, this is a question that you should be asking yourself. Do I need this mark? And that I've gotten asked quite a few times already. So first up, let's go over what you actually get and clear up the muddied waters by getting the blue check mark next to your name. Because one of the things I want to let you know is you do not receive extra reach. Originally, Facebook had put it out that accounts with the blue check mark would get extra reach, extra boost to their network by having that check mark, but that is not true. So what do you get? The 5 things that you get by being meta verified. Number 1, a blue check mark next to your name. Note, you actually need to sign up for the platform on both Facebook and Instagram separately to receive this check mark next to your name on both platforms. Number 2, you receive proactive account protection from impersonation. So again, influencers, like when people are recreating your fake accounts, this is important for you to know that you have support on this. Number 3, dedicated account support from Meta. This could involve things other than just account impersonation. Think ad support. Maybe your profile has gotten restricted for suspended activities. I've heard of a lot of different stories over the last weeks, and especially in researching for this video today, where getting the verification check mark was actually a huge benefit to social sellers who were needing to get in contact with Meta. Number 4, exclusive stickers for Facebook and Instagram stories and reels. Now, I got meta verified. I haven't seen these yet. I've been looking for them, and I'll keep you posted on how to use them in a future video. And number 5, 100 stars to allocate to other creators on the platform. So here's the really big debated question. Does getting a blue check mark next to your name actually give you more credibility? Or are you just buying the perception of credibility? So I believe the answer is yes. I believe you are in some ways buying the perception of credibility with this. So when you sign up, you do have to use ID to verify who you are. So there is a level of credibility with that. Like when it says Stephanie Parisi on Facebook, like I am Stephanie Parisi on Facebook. So when people are wondering, oh, is this a fake account? Well, if there's a blue check mark, it's not fake. The problem is when you start selling something that's main value is its exclusivity, well, then you lose the main value. With every person who signs up for it, it gets a little bit more diluted. Like Disneyland, you pay the $100 for the ticket, and then you can pay $50 extra to get to the front of the line. So, I mean, Meta is smart with this. Obviously, there's a bottom line for profit that they're going to be making. That's what the platform is about. That's why they want you to be on the platform to begin with, is to show ads. So I think that's part of playing the game. If you're going to be using social media for business, you're going to play the game. So right now it is definitely going to be unique. So I would say creators, go sign up. Business owners, go sign up. But keep watching before you do, because I want to save you money. So the blue check mark in some ways will help you stand out. And I do think authority is important. Check out this video to learn more on building authority in your business. And especially when you're connecting with new people, when they see a blue check mark, they don't know your past, they don't know your history. And so there will be a little bit more added credibility and trust. That said, can you buy trust? Well, kind of. Is it like the Sneetches, that good old Dr. Seuss book, right? I read this book to my boys all the time. It stars on their bellies, and the ones with the stars on their bellies are special, and the ones without stars aren't special. And at the end of it, they're all special. Now, so with the blue verification mark, now not everyone will get it because the average person doesn't need it, but it will lose some of that exclusivity over time. I do think that it gives a person a little bit more of a level of trust because they've had to verify, hey, this is who I am, and a little bit more level of seriousness. You're serious about doing what you're doing on social media. But regardless of whether you think it gives you credibility or doesn't give you credibility and trust, I think as a business owner, you want to consider getting this simply for the dedicated support that you will receive. Whereas support in the past, I don't know about you, but you send something up and you're like, hey, maybe you'll hear back in like days, weeks, maybe never. So let's talk facts with getting metaverified. So if you are doing it on an app, it is going to cost you more. Okay. So keep that in mind. If you do it from a web browser on Facebook in the States, it's $11.99. And if you do it on your app, it's going to be $14.99. And you need to do this on both Facebook and Instagram separately. Watch the tutorial in this video so you can see how to actually find where to go on your app or on your website to start the verification process. So you don't have to wait for a notification. It'll be interesting to see if Facebook ever rolls out that benefit of enhanced reach, which they originally said they were going to give to the blue check mark. It could just all be a ploy, or they could at some point release a gold tick check mark next to your name that could give a person even more status. You really never know where they're going to go with this. So let me show you how to sign up.
Okay, so depending on which one you want to open, you can open up Facebook or Instagram. On Instagram, if you go to your profile page, you can see here, I got a notification to sign up, but maybe you want to see, maybe we're going through Facebook. So here we are, Facebook homepage. You're going to hit the bottom right menu button. When you're here, you're going to scroll down to where it says settings and privacy. You're going to click on settings. Then we're going to scroll all the way down and go to where it says Meta Account Center. And then here you can see if you have the Meta Verified option. You see at the bottom where it says Meta Verified. If I click on it, you can see that it is available for me, but I have not subscribed yet. I am going to click Meta Verified Available with a little Facebook, and then I am going to click the subscribe button. Now it's going to say set up payment. You're going to be billed $14.99 per month on this profile. Now realize it's going to vary in cost based on what country you live in. It's not available everywhere yet. And then I'm going to click pay now. Okay, I have payment set up with my phone, so I'm just going to double click, and then you're going to get a notification that payment was successful, and I'm just going to click OK. So now you need to confirm your profile. So you need to have your ID ready, profile photo, and then make sure that two-factor notification is set up. And you must provide this information within 3 days or you won't get verified. So first, let's go to profile name must match your ID. Now, I'm not using any nicknames or anything, so Stephanie Parisi should be fine. So I'm not going to make any changes to this. Now I'm going to click on my profile photo, and it is showing my full face. So I believe that should be fine. And then for setting up two-factor authentication, okay, here you can see that I have two-factor authentication is on. So now I am going to click the next button. All right, you need to confirm your identity. I'm just going to use my driver's license. So you can click on whichever one you want to click on here, and then click the next button. And then you're just going to click the take photo button. And now it's going to give you the identity confirmation in progress. And you should know within 48 hours, and then click finish. And that's it. So then if we go back to the account center under settings, and then we go to Meta Verified, you're going to see that it says identity confirmation in review. Now I can go and do the same thing on Instagram as well and subscribe there too.
So it only took me about 5 minutes to get verified on Facebook. You can see here, I got the notification, and now I have the blue check mark next to my name. So as you go through these steps, you'll be able to get it too. Now that you're verified, I want you to go to stephanieparisi.com and click on create stories that sell. It's my free private Facebook group where I'm teaching small business owners how to grow their influence and profits online every single day. And if you want to work with me, go to the pack membership at stephanieparisi.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Check out either of these two videos that are popping up on your screen. They're here to help you win in your business. And I'll be back next week with another new video.